7 Tips for first-time waiters and servers. Serving and waiting on tables can be a lucrative role, especially for those just starting out in the workforce. There are tips and tricks you can learn to get ahead of the game when it comes to working as a waiter/servers or waitress. Tips number 1, smile and be friendly. As a server, you want your guests to feel warm and welcome, and the simplest way to accomplish this is with a smile. Your demeanor will set the tone for the meal, so maintain a friendly and upbeat demeanor toward your guests and staff. Tips number 2, know what's expected of you. As a server, you play an important role in the overall dining experience. The key to accomplishing this is to be assertive and attentive. Customer may only expect prompt service at a fast casual restaurant, but at a fine dining establishment, expectations will be much higher. Tips number 3, anticipating needs. If a customer orders a steak, promptly reset their cutlery to include a steak knife. If your guests are dining with children or a baby, preempt the mess and supply additional napkins. As time goes by, these actions will become second nature for you as a server. Tips number 4, showcase your previous experience. If you don't have any previous work experience, simply explain why you're interested in the position and mention any hobbies or interests that are relevant to the role. Tips number 5, do your research on the venue. If you are applying for a restaurant job with no experience, you must demonstrate that you understand the role's expectations and responsibilities. Doing research on the company and visiting their social media accounts before applying is one way to stand out during a job interview. Tips number 6, practice at home. Waiters and waitresses are expected to do a variety of tasks in a restaurant. Most restaurants will train you on these responsibilities, but it looks good to have a handle on some of them by training at home. Practicing at home can provide you with insight into how these tasks are carried out. Tips number 7, be professional. In a customer service role, it is extremely important that you dress appropriately. Not only will this demonstrate to your potential employer that you understand the job role, but that you can also follow a dress code. Those are the tips and tricks that you can learn to help you practice as a waiter or waitress. Thank you for watching.